Typedream is a web-based tool that lets you design and publish landing pages in minutes. You can choose from hundreds of templates, customize them with your own content and images, and connect them to your domain name. Typedream also integrates with popular services like MailChimp, Stripe, Zapier, and more. The best part about Typedream is that it uses natural language processing to understand what you want to say and how you want to say it. You can type in plain English and Typedream will generate the HTML and CSS code for you. You can also edit the code directly if you want more control over the layout and style. Typedream is ideal for anyone who wants to create a professional-looking website without spending hours on coding and design. Whether you need a landing page for your product, service, portfolio, event, or anything else, Typedream can help you make it happen. To get started with Typedream, you can sign up for a free account and explore the templates and features. You can also watch some tutorials and read some tips on how to create effective landing pages. If you like what you see, you can upgrade to a paid plan and unlock more templates, integrations, and analytics. Typedream is a simple and powerful way to create stunning landing pages that convert. If you're looking for a tool that can help you grow your online presence and reach more customers, give Typedream a try. You'll be amazed by what you can create with just a few clicks.